Panthers, it's Coach Young reporting from inside once again. Today is Friday, and we have a Fun Friday activity for you here. The Fun Friday activity is called Birdie in the Cage. As you see here, I have a couple of items. I have some paper plates. I have my blue painter's tape that you see Coach Young using a lot. I have a sock and a spatula. For Birdie in the Cage, you will take one of these paper plates, any kind of paper plate that you have. Take the painter's tape or any kind of tape that you have. You're going to tape the plate to the spatula. Then you're going to take your sock. All you need is one. And you just want to fold it and kind of flatten it out. Two socks may make it a little too thick and harder to do the activity, so all you need is one. And you're going to have a minute of where you're trying to take the sock and flip it in. I have my laundry basket here. If you don't have a laundry basket, remember you can always use any kind of little small trash basket that you have around the house. If you have an old shoebox, you can do that as well. And you're going to spend a minute trying to flip the birdie or the sock into the basket. You want to be about 8 to 10 feet away. That's part of the activity. Or if you like, you can, another part that I saw along with this, the gentleman who did the activity, he practiced how many times he could flip the birdie over on the spatula. He practiced flipping the birdie from one hand to the other. So however you would like to do the activity, you can do that either way. He also practiced trying to flip the birdie with his dominant and non-dominant hand. But this is our Fun Friday activity. It's called Birdie in the Cage. Only need a few items here to do the activity. Just a reminder, don't forget we have live sessions for PE. The last live session, K through 2nd, is from 12 to 12:30 p.m. on Friday, and 3 through 5. Your last day is from 12:30 to 1 this coming Friday. Another quick reminder, there will be a video on Monday that gives you the details of field day. Our field day for Bethune will be during the week of May 18th through the 22nd. You can do parts of the field day over each day, or you can pick one day to do it. But again, all of that detail will be given to you on a video on Friday. Hope everybody is doing well. Coach Young is signing off.